Hey guys, I'm here in the last video. I watched back so I had to delete it because it was all upside down. So yeah, let's do this again. I don't want to do it again. It's too much work. I had to put on the masks again, but there's any mysteries around right away because I have seen so many things with this. Pennywise, jam. I saw Pennywise in this, and I fell in this bottle. Ow. Yeah. Okay. I saw Chucky in that one. Damn. I saw Chucky. Let's try this eye. Okay. I give up. You win. Animatronics are scary things. You win. I saw scary clowns. Ow. I just banged my... Spun my foot out on the way to ow. Wait. How can they see my eyes? I thought these blackout glasses, I thought they were. How can you see my eyes still? If I move back, you can't see my eyes, can you? Hey, you can't see my eyes, can you? Yeah. What am I doing? Why am I shouting? Well, you can still see my eyes a little bit. Shut up, Callum. There. Wait guys, my time, daytime. Okay, I should stop messing with those because they cost a lot. Yeet. Actually, I should eat. No, not this. This. Yeet. Yay, is he going for the time? Oh, there's Callum. Sunglasses, are you okay down there? Hello? He's okay. So, tonight I'm going to video fireworks on my phone. Upside down, sideways again. Yay! Okay, I'm going to video fireworks tonight. So, see you there. Peace.